Hi everybody, my name is Nicolás Londoño, and in this video we will learn a very basic and simple way to graph slope fields in Geogebra. Before we start, we must know what Geogebra is. So we are going to search. Geogebra is the dynamic mathematics software for all levels of education that bring together geometry, algebra, graphing, calculus in one easy-to-use package. Geogebra has become the leading provider of dynamic mathematics software. It is important to know that Geogebra can be used in our cell phones because it allows us to download it through the App Store or the Play Store. So here we are going to choose in the English version this option that is Geogebra Classic, and it appears this interface. So to graph the directional fields in Geogebra, the following steps must be followed. So first we go to the text entry bar and type the command slope field. As we can see, we have different options from which we will choose the second one. And here we are going to tap our function that in this case, for the example, it's going to be x plus y, and here in number n it refers to the desired grid, so we are going to take 25. Enter, and it shows us our slope field. So the next step, we are going to the text entry bar and type the command solve ODE, and of all the options we will going to choose the second one again, this one. In this space we are going to type our function that is x plus y, and in the point we are going to put the point in which we want to solve our slope field. So for example, we are going to put 0.6. So it shows us and we find the solution in this case. If we want to find another solution, we go again to the text entry bar and type the same command solve ODE, choose the second option. We type our function that is x plus y, and the point that I want to solve is 8.9. So the green one is the solution for that point. And that's all.